welcome to another video. Today is patio makeover part 2. You all saw in the last video that we had no backyard whatsoever. Well, we had a backyard, but there was nothing back there, so I decided to build a deck back there. We finally have a So our deck is up. We finally have a deck, so now it's time to deck it out. No pun intended. So today we are building the gazebo. I have a whole new set of contractors here. They're putting up the gazebo. I'm gonna show you clips here and there from start till finish, and then we're gonna go ahead and decorate the entire backyard. So let's go out there and get this process. Started. Family, let's get started with building the gazebo. Just for a point of reference, this is what the backyard looked like before. We had absolutely nothing back here. It was all grass and we couldn't really come out here and hang out. And most importantly, my daughter couldn't come out here and play. So I had to change that. So we ended up building this beautiful patio. And thank you to my audience for correcting me. It's a patio, not a deck. And now my daughter has a place to play, but I also want to be able to hang out back here. So I'm going to build a gazebo. All right, so these are my contractors for the day. I found these guys on Angie's List and they did an amazing job. So what we're doing here now is we are just trying to find the perfect placement for the gazebo. I don't want to block the windows. I also don't want to take up the whole deck because I do want to do other things back here. And I would also like to put it in a spot where it's not in the way and a spot that is also suitable for some outdoor furnitures. So my contractors are just doing their measurements and we're discussing things. And also for another point of reference, this gazebo is from Amazon. This is the company. I'll also have all of the details down in the description box. So don't forget to check that out. This is a 12 by 10, so it's 10 foot by 12 foot. It's pretty big. The patio is 24 by 36, so it's pretty large. All right, so once all of the measurements are done, the guys are just bringing the stuff out so they can start the installation. All right, family, so you saw me this morning. I was looking a hot mess, but I left to go and take a shower and get ready. I'm all ready now. I'm all dressed. I have this simple dress on. I don't know if you all can see, but super cute. Anyway, let's go out here and see how far they've gone, okay? Look at this. My mom is sitting out in the yard just watching them, but look at this. Let's go out there. They are making progress. That looks good. That's a good size. I like that. It's actually going to be on the patio. They're just building it down there, but they're going to transfer it up here. Okay, the gazebo has gone up. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. Wow, it's bigger than I thought it was. Oh, this is gorgeous. Yes, I'm glad it's not blocking the view. This is what I was afraid of or concerned about. This view from the inside is so beautiful, and I thought the gazebo was gonna block that, so I'm so happy that it's off to the side. It's not blocking a lot of those windows, and it's not blocking this window. This window is the most important one to me. The camera's not doing it justice, but it's a pretty big space out here, so yeah. Were you calling me?
Yes.
Yes.
Sorry. We're talking about this, the part, do you want this drop this way, or?
I want the longer part this way.
Oh, okay, great.
Yes.
I will throw this.
Okay. Yeah. So, because I'm trying to protect the window.
Okay.
Yeah. It looks good, though. I like it. Huh?
Can you use your...
Yeah, of course, yeah. I have 2, so if you want another one.
Sorry?
I have 2.
Oh, okay, thank you.
If you want another one, yeah. So family, this is what I was talking about. That's the window I'm worried about. I don't want to cover that window because I love the light that it provides. I like the calmness, the beauty of the natural daylight, and I don't want my gazebo to cover that. That's the ring for the curtain?
Huh?
The ring for the curtain?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh my God, it's almost over. This is the roof. Look at all these tools. That's intimidating. Thank you. Thank you, Nadia. But yeah, it looks good. It's looking good so far. I'm excited. Hey, Nadia, are you excited?
Yes.
You are? She said yes. Are you happy to have a gazebo?
Gazebo?
Yeah, this is a gazebo. Are you happy to have one? Oh, it's looking so good, family. Look at that. We have plastic on that window down there because we are painting down there. So that's what that is. I know it kind of looks weird, but yeah, that's what that's about. But we are at the point where they are putting the roof up, and oh my goodness, it looks so good back here. Even with the mess, it still looks really, really good. And I'm super excited that I chose the right color of gazebo because it matches my siding and my deck. So everything is blending in and it looks amazing. All right, so I'm leaving the house. The guys are still back there. I gotta go pick up some stuff, as I said before. So we'll be back to see the progress. So family, I told you all the other day that I took Destiny to get cleaned. For those of you who don't know, Destiny is my car. I named her Destiny. I have a video on that. Maybe I'll link it below. But yes, I did take Destiny to get cleaned and I got her back. So that's what we're driving today. Another thing I wanted to touch on, I think I posted it on YouTube, I'm not sure, but I definitely posted it on Instagram and TikTok, and a lot of people have had questions about this. My rental property caught on fire, and I told you, I shared that a little bit, and a lot of people were asking me what ended up happening. Well, the insurance company stepped in, took over, and they are gonna, fix all the repairs. But other than that, I'm glad no one was hurt. I'm glad nothing was severely damaged to the point where it couldn't be recovered. The insurance company, like I said, they did an amazing job. I'm so happy that they were able to step in and cover some of those expenses, because they are very, very expensive. Whatever the damage that was caused was. And I also went ahead and took advantage of the time that I'm gonna have a lot of contractors at the house doing things and going in and out, and I took advantage of that to fix some other things on the house, or not really fix but upgrade some other things, and I'm gonna show you some of those things. One of those things is the grass, like the landscaping that needed to be upgraded. It wasn't a requirement. The tenants can do whatever they want as far as making the curb appeal or painting the house. They can do whatever they want as long as they ask and as long as they put it back to where it was when they move. But I personally wanted a certain look of the yard and a certain look of certain things, so I did go ahead and just added more contractors to the ones I already have to fix the damage of the burn. So they're going to be doing some landscaping. The porch, for example, you'll see that the porch was like a wooden porch, but I went ahead and upgraded it to change it into cement. That way it's more sturdy and it's going to last basically forever. I also did some painting on the outside of the house. Some of the wood were the wood paint was fading. I asked if they could upgrade that or update that, and some things on the inside of the house as well. So the house is getting a whole makeover, and I'm so happy. Sometimes things happen for a reason. Like I said, I'm happy that no one was hurt and nothing was severely damaged. So this gave me the opportunity to just take care of some things and upgrade some things to make their life a little easier and prettier, and to make me feel better too, because at the end of the day, it is my property and I want it to look nice. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop at this farmer's market real quick. Oh, this is so cool. They have all kinds of fruits and vegetables. Oh, wow.
Yes, you do. Already. Yeah.
And under here, we got all of this. So cool. This side.
Not in my way at all. I'm sorry if I'm in yours.
We have the corn over here. You can either pick it yourself or like what she's doing there. And then more tomatoes. These fruits are nice. I love these small cuties tomatoes. They're $1.99. And the prices are on them. These are $7.99, the big ones. But these small ones, $4.99 for the pound. Yeah. Sorry. What are you doing, Nadia? Are you just chilling back here? So I'm vlogging with my phone today, but I wanted to show you all the progress. Wait, what am I doing? All right, there you go. That's the outside. The guys are out there. They're almost done, and it is hot, y'all. It is hot out there. Nadia and I were just sitting out there, but I'm so anxious. I want them to be done. Like, I want it to be done so I can see the finished product. So I'm so anxious, and look right there. I'm so anxious, so I keep going outside, coming inside, going outside, coming inside, and it's just like, when are you gonna be done? But I have the perfect like sitting area. I'm working with this company that sent me this oh my god, I've already set it up. I'm working with this company that sent me this beautiful I guess gazebo set. It's this beautiful set that it's so like modern and so classic. It's really nice. It's very my style, so I'm super excited to set it up. I'm also going to be picking up some other stuff to just decorate it, blend it in, and just make everything pop. And oh my goodness, I cannot wait to show you all. So let's go to it. It's looking so good, family. They're almost done. I know I keep saying that, but look at this. It's literally almost done. Finishing touches. They're about to put the curtains on. And yeah. I love the color. The color is just, color gets me every time. It's my favorite. So nice. Okay, so now they are moving it to the right spot.
3, 2.
Okay, there we go. And they're gonna drill it in. Nice. Oh wow. That's so nice. So they are drilling the hole to stabilize it. So
Hey,
that
Mommy, stop.
so that when the wind blows, it doesn't go anywhere.
Oh no, this was
We gotta watch from here.
Yes, it's right
You're
here.
gonna put it up? Yay! Finishing touches. Ooh. So cool. Putting on the finishing touches. Ooh. So nice. Curtains are on. Wow, this is beautiful. All right, family, this is the final look of the gazebo. I am in love, to say the least. The quality on this is really nice. I love the color. I love the fact that it comes with everything it needs, including the net and the curtain. And I also love the fact that I was able to secure it to the ground so that it doesn't move no matter what. If you are liking the home decor series so far, trust me, you would want to stick around for the next few videos. In the next video, I'm going to be decorating the gazebo with some beautiful modern furnitures that I got from another company. I will also have a discount code and all of the details in the description box, so please do not forget to check it out. At the end of the video, there will be some other videos popping up that are fun and helpful. So please don't forget to click those. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll never ever miss another video. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.